Today I'll be showing you guys how to add chapters to your videos. I'll be right back after the intro. So the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube Studio, click Content, select the video you want to add chapters to. I'll be doing my most recent video. Make sure to check that out if you haven't yet. So click Details and go to the description. So to add chapters to your video, you're going to be putting timestamps in the description. When you put them in the description, it automatically puts them on your videos as chapters. So you're going to be starting out with 0 minutes and 0 seconds. And you're going to be adding a title. Make sure it's easy to read, short title, and you'll be needing at least 3 timestamps that are at least 10 seconds apart. So let me type the third one. Okay, sponsor. And you click save, and it should appear on your video. Once you
Reach
and it
100
appears
subscribers.
intro, tutorial, sponsor, and outro. That'll be all for today. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and click the bell icon to get notifications for my next video. See you next time.